pencil.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Kavikartika. Good morning, Rudvin. Please, all of you take your symphonic book and circle U. Take the U rhyme and circle U. Small letter U. Finished? Very few only you have, children. Only small letter U. You need not circle capital U. Small letter U. Finish. Very good.
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, Ma. Very good morning, Supri Gautam. Take your symphonics book, U page, and circle all the small letter U. Come on.
இதுதாம்மா கரெக்ட்மா ஐம் டன் மேம் சொல்லு
I'm done, ma'am.
அன்மியூட்
Done.
பண்ணிக்கலாம்
Very good. Very good, Mitra.
Please, ma'am.
After finish, very good. Keep it as it is, children. Don't close your book. Keep it as it is. Now you have circled the letter, right? One letter we have circled. Next, we are going to circle a word, okay? Keep the book as it is.
Finish, ma'am.
Those are finished. Don't close your book. Keep it as it is, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll start the Kidzi anthem and then again we'll do the activity. Okay, children? Is others finished? Still who is circling except Sukhdev Gautam? Sarah, are you able to find out small letter U?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah's mom, you can use this book for identifying other letters also. Right from alphabet A.
Okay, okay.
Yes, identification activity if you want to conduct also, like how I have done in previous classes. Ask her to circle small A, small B, small C, like that. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Finish, everyone. Jason, finish.
Yes, ma'am. Finished. Finished சொல்லுங்க.
Finish, ma'am. Finish,
Very
ma'am.
good. Vihan, very good. Mahini, good morning, Mahini.
நல்லது.
Yeah, good morning.
கீழே போட்டா பென்சில் உடைஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கும் ஜேசன்.
Ma'am, which page number, ma'am?
Page number. Now only you are going to circle, huh?
Yes, ma'am. We yeah.
Sorry, we are going to start the session anyhow. It will take time for us.
Okay. We
Tell
logged
me
in.
what to do.
We logged in 10 minutes, some 5 minutes before, but we were not let in.
Okay, maybe some network issue. No issues. I just asked them to circle you only. No problem in that. We'll do it afterwards also. Since I'm going to start the session, okay?
Okay.
No problem.
Only small you, ma'am?
Yeah, small you.
Okay.
Finish as a frame. Let's start.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm going to finish last 3 lines only he has, ma'am.
Okay, children. I want all of you to stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Today's Kidzi Anthem, Varsha is going to say.
Stand up.
Yes, Janya. Very good to finish. Good boy.
Thank you,
Just
children.
come stand
Thank you.
up.
Welcome.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Kidzi Anthem. Yes, Varsha, you can start.
Kidzi Anthem. With all of the me, you are in sunlight. You make my potential side. Water wind, my shell.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight, you fly me, my potential side. Today I flash, and on my mind, I shall achieve you, my potential side.
Yes, very good and thank you so much, Varsha. Good morning, all of you. Yes, good morning. Today we are going to dance. Yes, good morning, Jason, Sarah, Hazel, everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to dance for a new song. Are you all ready? Yes? 1 minute. Let me play.
Please speaker on பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கியா?
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop, all of you. Tiger. Run, all of you. Run like a tiger. Run, like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Elephants. Stomp, like an elephant. Stomp, like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop, all of you. Kangaroo. Jump, like a kangaroo. Jump, like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost
Yes,
Okay? Very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan.
okay, ma'am.
Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Kadyani. Kadyani. Kadyani is absent today, wa? Okay. Kadyani, are you there, ma? Okay. Next, Rudvin.
Yes, I am back.
Very good, Rudvin. Sarah.
Here,
Sarah.
ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukrit Gautam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukrit Gautam. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirini.
Kiran. சொல்லு
Mahirini.
சொல்லு
Mahirini.
மகிழ் மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க சொல்லு கிரண்
Mahirini, here I am. Come on. Finish drinking your water.
சொல்லு மகிழ்
Fast. Very good girl, Mahirini. Mitra.
Here I am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Here I am.
Very good, Vihan. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Caps.
Madhuvanti will join in second batch, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I'll change the name. Okay, fine, children. Next, we'll move on to our rhyme session. Yes, first rhyme is over, over. Over has my little dog gone. Over can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Over can he be? And the next rhyme is under the web. Okay, under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as she. One more time. Under the web beside the gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, so these two rhymes I'll send you the audio also today. Okay, children. Next, yesterday what did we learn? What alphabet did we learn? Now also we circled in our phonics book, symphonic.
You.
You, very good. Now again take your symphonic book, same U page. Same U page. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to write some letters in the slate and you are going to find the word in that book and you are going to circle it. Are you all ready? Okay, first take this page, children. Symphonics book, you have read the same U page. The same page. Take it. Keep a pencil ready with you. Okay. First, all of you look at ma'am. First, we'll know what is a word and what is a letter. Okay. See, what is this? What is this? I want all of you, anyone to answer. Come on. A. A. How many letters are here? One letter or two letter? One letter is two letter is
One.
only one letter. So when you have only a single letter, it is called a letter. Okay, but here you see, here how many letters are here? How many letters are here? One, two. So this is not a letter. This is a word. Together it is a word. Single unne one irundha mattum, that is letter. Okay, va? When you have 2, 3 letters together and we don't have a single letter. One letter mattum illa. Inga 3 letters irukku. Inga 2 letter irukku. So together it is called a word and this is a letter. Okay. Now I am going to write some words. Find out in the book and circle it. Come on. First word what ma'am going to write is I-N. What is I-N? In. Very good, children. In. Find out where is in that rhyme. I-N. In. It can be capital letter I-N also. This I-N also may be. Find out this also can be there. Yes, find out in. Parents, please don't help them. Let them find it on their own. I-N, in word. Run through the sentence, children. You'll get it with your pointer finger. One time if you circle enough. No need to circle all the in word. Okay? When you finish, you can stop it. Word, not a letter. I-N, in, word. Very good, Keshav. Hazel, good. Found out a Hazel? Really, Hazel?
Yes, ma'am, she did.
Wow, Hazel. Wonderful. Tarneshwar found out? அங்க எங்க பாக்குறீங்க? புக்க பார்த்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க. In word, I-N, in. Jason found out? Very good, Varshita.
Jason found out.
Ananya, finisher? Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next word? First word, in, I-N, in, finish, okay? Next is U, P. What is the sound of U? What is the sound of P? P. P, up. Find out where is up. U, P, up. P, up. Sound of U is Sound of P is P. Together, up. Find out where is up. Up எங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. Up. Upனா மேலன்னு அர்த்தம். Above. Up. Very good, Varsha.
Please, ma'am.
Up.
That ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Wonderful. Very good. Okay, next is, I think you know this word. O-N. O-N. On. 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 Where is on? Find the word. Where is on? On. On. Ananya, slowly you search. Keep your pointer finger on the book and search. O-N, on. எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். Don't randomly search for the word, children. When you run through the sentences only, you will know where the word is. Okay?
Finish, ma'am.
Well done, Varsha. How are you able to find out so fast, Varsha? What did you have in the morning? Yes? Recommend me also, no?
Idli, ma'am.
Huh?
Idli.
Idli. Idli only, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Very good. Finished on. Next word. Next word. What is the sound of G? What is the sound of G? Sound of G என்னதுமா? Answer children. What is the sound of G?
Go.
What is the sound of G? Sound of O. Go. Go. Find out where is go. Go. It's very simple to learn. When you know the phonic sound, it's going to be very easy for you to learn a word. Go.
The dog put it. I did not take.
அந்த டாட் இல்ல ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப்.
Finish?
Ma'am.
Yes. Now I want you to take your very good children. All of you have circled correctly. Parents, please let me know. Is there anyone finding difficulty in circling the word? Finish? Easily found out? Good. Okay, now take your English notebook, children. Very good children. Take your English notebook. Parents, please copy this and give it to them. Matching, okay?
நான் சொல்றேன். வரியா? மீட்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
English notebook, pa. English notebook.
Q R
R
S
S E
எடு நான் எழுதுறேன்.
D
Parents can write and read it.
R Q C S.
நான் குடு ஸ்லேட் கொடு. இங்க அந்த ஸ்லேட் கொடு.
ஒரு கார்டு போட்டு போடு.
Take your English notebook and do it. Don't do it in the slate, children. All these exercises will be included in your assessment also. So please do it in your English notebook, not in rough note also. Slate notebook, okay? Yes, parents, you can copy this down and give it to your children. Let them match. Start matching now, those who finished. Start matching. By the time they match, I want children, parents, I want you to be ready with the flashcards, alphabet flashcards.
பண்ணீங்க வா இது சார்ஜ் போட்டு போ.
Come on, children, match it.
Fish, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Get it corrected from your mama.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished correctly. Get 2 stars, children. Those who have finished correctly. Parents, if they are doing wrongly also, leave it. Then only you will know in which area they are very weak. Please don't teach them. Let them do it on their own. தப்பா இருந்தா கூட பரவாயில்ல. இது தப்பு அப்படின்னு லாஸ்டா தான் சொல்லணும். நடுவுல கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணாதீங்க ப்ளீஸ். Very good. Get it corrected and get 2 stars. Take a 2 stars.
2 stars.
Ma'am, she finished, ma'am, but she's playing.
Playing, finished only now. After finishing
Yes,
only
yes.
she's playing. That too you
Yes,
are
yes.
complaining, Okay, play, ma. While the time we go to the next round, you can play. Yes, after this, take your alphabet flashcard, children. We already prepared, right? That card, you take it out. Take out the card A N M T S. Finish. See, I need these cards. A M N T S. I need these 5 cards. A M N T S. Take it separately.
Ma'am, Vihan does not have flashcard, ma'am.
Sorry?
He lost it. Vihan does not have the
If he is
flashcard.
not having, let him use the slate. We are
Okay.
going to make words.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Ready, all of you? Along with that, I and F. I forgot I and F. I and F too. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. Parents can help them, no issues. Ready with your cards, children? Yes, now prepare the word an. An. A means A. N means N. An. An. Together. Join the letters together and make a word. An. Hereafter, parents those have written along with the capital letters, you can separate the small letter and the capital letters. Okay?
Ma'am, we are in native, so Varsha hasn't got the flashcard.
Let them write in the
So what?
slate, no issues.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Later on, if A4 sheet is available, also you can prepare with that.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, I'll do.
Because in future, in further classes, we are going to make words only. So it is better if you use the A4 sheets also.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Okay, ma'am. Can you repeat what has to be done?
Sorry?
Can you repeat what has to be done?
Those who have written the alphabet along with the capital letters, separate it. When you have written front and back, it's well and good. If you have written together in a place like this, capital A and small a, you just cut it.
Okay,
Separate it. Okay? Because when you join these two and along with this capital letter and small letter N, it will not look like a word. They will get confused, and while writing also, they will go along with the capital letter. So that confusion will happen.
Okay.
If possible, you can cut it now also. And very good, children. Very fast. Very good. Ananya, Visha, Hazel, super Hazel. Jason, good. Mitra, good. Very good, Ma Taruneshwar. Good. Okay, next. Next letter is at. 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 The same A, don't move the A card, keep it as it is. You are going to add a new letter T, that's it. A-T, at. A-T, at.
Please, ma'am.
And I request parents, phonic sounds which are not familiar, please don't try to teach your child. They'll get confused. Okay, move with what we have learned so far. Sometimes C sounds also will differ, so don't go priorly with those sounds and all. We'll go slowly, okay? Etihad. Finish. Very good. Next letter is, next word is am. 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 Very good, Hazel. Fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Jason, good. Keshav, good. Am.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, children. Keshav, let me see your cards. Keshav, can you please little bit move your camera? Keshav's mom, can you prepare a plain alphabet card?
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry?
Only, ma'am, I have only this one.
Yeah, if possible, you can prepare with chart also later. Okay, because they should not get distracted with the pictures. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay,
one
ma'am.
letter is
Okay.
possible, it is well and good. So whenever is possible,
Okay,
you can do it. Now let him use this. After you can
Mm-hmm.
prepare it for this week. Thank you,
Okay,
Keshav.
ma'am. Okay.
Next, children. Next is A. S. What is A S? A. What is A S? A is together. What will come? A. As. As soon as you make the word, you have to repeat it, children. A as. Hazel. As. Good, Jason.
Jason is
As.
finding difficulty in saying words. ma'am.
Sorry, Jason.
Finding difficulty in telling words, ma'am. As,
Finding
am.
difficult. That's it. Slowly we'll move with the phonics. As.
சொல்லு.
Okay, first we'll take long time to learn because since now they have learned only letters, right? So it will take time. Need not worry about that. Every day we'll be having the recap. So don't worry. Just the phonics sound, children, you all have to be very clear. Okay? ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து சொன்னா என்ன சவுண்ட் வரும்? As. Okay? Okay, now next is in. What is the spelling for in? We already learned in. E. I sounds E and in sounds N. I-N. In. I-N. In. ருத்வின் அம்மா, ருத்வின் ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். ருத்வின் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணாலே போதும். ஓகே?
இல்ல மேம் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றேன் மேம் இப்போ.
அது ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன் பக்காவா இருந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணா போதும். ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். சரிங்களா?
ஓகே மேம், ஓகே மேம்.
I-N. E. In. In. Yes, very good, children. E. N. In. Very good. Next is same one. Eater. What is eater? Eater. What is eater? Together? What will come?
என்னது அது?
Very good. Eater. It. Very good. Very good, Sarah. Super, Sarah. Capital letters. Slowly move on to small letters, Sarah. Okay? Good girl. Fine. It. Next is I-F. What is I-F? What is this? I-F. Anyone? I-F. What is the I-F? Very good, Mitra. Super, Mitra. I-F. Okay? E-F. Super. Good. Very good. Everyone finished? E-F. Well done. Very good. Now all of you give back your cards and give a high five to your parents. On behalf of me, give high five to your parents. Come on. I'll help you fill the cards and arrange it right. Very good. Thank you so much, parents. Next, we'll go to our concept session. Before that, I want all of you to stand up. we'll do a small activity that is road counting. Okay, stand up all of you. Yes, ma'am is going to count from 1 to 50. You are going to jump. Along with that, what you will do? Have to clap. Okay, ready, steady. Sukri Gautam is not going to do the activity. Bye. Stand up. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, what will I get? 14 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 16. Very good. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. After 25, என்ன வரும்? What comes? 26. Very good. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 34. Very good. 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44,
44.
45. Very good. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, very good. All of you sit down. Sit down. What concept we learned yesterday? Enna concept படிச்சோம் நேத்து? What concept we learned? Anyone can tell me? Very good, Mitra. High five, Mitra. Marine animals. Very good. Thank you so much, Mitra. We learned farm animals. Farm animals live along with us. They are very friendly. And then wild animals. Wild animals are very dangerous. Okay. And then the third one, yesterday we learned about marine animals. That is the animals that live in water. Okay. Marine animals we learned fish, stingray, squid, dolphin, shark, blue whale. So all these we saw yesterday. Okay. Today I am going to show you a 3D image of those marine animals. Are you all ready? It is really going to be fun, children. Come on. Yes. Can you see the stingray here? Can you see? Stingray. Children, what marine animal is this? Stingray.
Stingray.
Yeah, stingray. Can you see? It's inside the water. Now it's going to swim. Can you see the stingray swimming? Stingray. What is this? Stingray.
Wala, mama, the wala put up
We see another one. Okay. Dolphin.
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 Sulikavi, dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Dolphin fishing.
Can you see the dolphin here?
அங்க டால்ஃபின் பாரு. H டால்ஃபின்.
Dolphin.
அங்க பாரு எப்படி போகுது பாரு எப்படி ஸ்விம் பண்ணுது. இப்படி.
How many dolphins are here, children? Can you see? How many dolphins are here? எத்தனை இருக்கீங்க? 2 dolphins.
என்னது? இது என்னது? tortoise.
இல்லடா.
tortoise அப்படின்னு.
Can you see the octopus, children? Octopus.
இங்க பாரு அங்க bubbles வருது. Shark. 이거 야채. 아니.
Yes, that's it. Did you all enjoy it? Did you all enjoy it? Did you all see the marine animals? What you saw now? என்ன பாத்தீங்க இப்போ? What are the marine animals you saw now? Stingray. Next. Shark. Yes, dolphin. Marine animals. Stingray. Dolphin. Shark. These are 4 animals, right? Very good. Now I want all of you to take your worksheet. Tortoise தண்ணிக்குள்ள தான் இருக்கு. Turtle தான் இருக்கும் தண்ணிக்குள்ள. Okay, I want you to take worksheet number D63LT. D63LT. Write today's date, children. 28-9-2121. The day is Tuesday. The month is September. D63LT. Write today's date 28-28 -9-2121. Here you have traced the letters, color the objects and start with the same letter sound. Here you have S and T, children. First trace S and T, and what belongs to the letter you have to color it. Okay?
S and T அது மேல அப்படியே எழுதுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
First you trace S and T.
S அது மேல எழுதுங்க.
And then S for strawberry. First circle it, children, and then you can color. T for tomato. Again S for sun. T for table or balloon. What will come? Table or balloon? Table or balloon.
TV.
Yeah, fine. Now come on, circle it and then you color it. Before that, trace the letters, children. Sound of S is sound of T is T. When I watch the tennis play, T, 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 T. When I watch the tennis play, my head goes back and forth.
The tennis team. When I watch the tennis team, my head goes back and forth.
Very good, Miley. Finish, Miley. Finish. Yeah, those are finished. The next worksheet is D64LT. Here you have S and T. What you are going to do is, parents, please draw 4 blanks here and give it to them. 4 or 5. With equal spacing, draw 4 blanks and give it to them. Let them write in that blank. Before writing, you have to match, children. S for what are all the picture that comes for S. I am not going to do. You yourself are going to do. S, what will come for S? You have 6 here, spider, sun, snake, bus. Whatever comes, you just match like this. If, for example, S for sun means draw a line towards the snake. Sorry. Match it and then trace the letters, children. The same way for T also. T for tomato means draw a line towards tomato. And then parents draw lines again here for T. Tiger, telephone, tomato, hat, apple. What are the pictures related to T? Match it. And then what are the pictures related to S? Here, match it. Do it correctly, children. Don't match the wrong ones. If you are matching any two also, well and good. Whatever you know, you match. But match it correctly. And math worksheet number 40 will be today's homework, children. Okay. Those who have finished, leave it. Those who have not done, take it as homework. 4040 worksheet. T60 empty. Number 40 will be homework. Okay, those who have done, leave it. Those who have not done, complete it and send it today. Okay, children? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Magesha. First match the pictures and then write, children. Jason, you need not color, Jason. Don't waste your time. If you have finished, please let me know. Only one more worksheet is there. We'll finish it off fast. Worksheet number D63MT. This worksheet. D63MT. Those who have finished, please take this worksheet. Here you are going to circle the smallest one. Yesterday what we did, we circled the biggest marine animal, right? biggest na பெருசா இருக்கிறது. Okay, today we are going to circle the smallest one. சின்னதா இருக்கிறது, smallest one we are going to circle. Finish it, children. D63 empty, the smallest one you are going to circle. See, you have 3 gift boxes here. See which is very small. And here you have
Yes, ma'am.
that is very small. And here you have balls here. See which ball is very small. Smallest. Smallest is literally
Finish, ma'am.
very good, Bisha. Very good, Bisha.
ஸ்மாலர் இருக்கு சொன்னீங்களே பேஜ் நம்பர் மேம்?
D63 empty.
எஸ் மேம்.
Finish, Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Rudwin, finish. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, Ma Mitra. Very good, Mahilini. Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tomorrow we'll start our talk time, children. Yesterday also I gave you a reminder. Today also I am reminding you, those who are names are mentioned for tomorrow's talk time. Be ready with your talk time. You can use any chart or pictures or PPT, whatever you want you can use for the talk time. Okay, so all the best, children. Prepare well. Okay, and thanks for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.